Welcome to DIY Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Za from Weird Wild Pizza. Today we're gonna learn how to feed a sourdough starter. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY sourdough. Maintaining your sourdough starter is important. It is a living thing, and if you don't feed it, it'll die. Don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'm here to help, and I'm here to show you how to keep that starter alive. Thank you for watching DIY Sourdough on Weird Wild Pizza with Papa Za. Click the link below to learn how to make a sourdough starter. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY sourdough.